Hello kids, do you like to play drums? So like these drums, today we are going to learn alphabet D. D for drum. I am letter D. My phonic sound is D, D, D. Now you all repeat after me. Hey friends, now I'm walking with small ducklings. D for ducklings. D for duck. D-U-C-K, duck. Now let's learn how to write the letter D. First draw a straight line and from top to bottom right side curve. This is letter D. Let's learn some words. D for dog. D, dog. D for Dane. D, Dane. D for dance. D, dance. D for dam. D, dam. D for doll. D, doll. Thank you. Like, share and subscribe for more such learning videos.